At GCG, our facilities are strategically located to best serve our customers. Our facility in Collegeville, Pennsylvania is just outside of Philadelphia and houses offices for our connectivity and power solutions team, along with 3 warehouse and services facilities. The Collegeville facility boasts 158,000 square feet of wire, cable, and related products serving the Northeast and beyond. Along with state-of-the-art packing and shipping equipment, this facility offers a broad menu of value-added services that save our customers time and money. Services include wire cut to length, striping, braiding, wire dyeing, custom on-wire printing, and kitting, as well as tinning and custom labeling. Annually, we handle 338,000 cuts and 87,000 special order services for our customers. With facilities across the U.S., GCG is ready to serve all customers. Our optimized distribution network ensures that we give customers what they need when they need it. For more information about how we can best meet your needs, please give us a call or visit our website